my grandma's old Psalter hymnal. I'm sure that they borrowed it in good faith, but it ended up in her estate sale way back when, and I love it. It has all these little notes in it, you know, like when people would request songs, so like they have the page numbers and everything. Anyway, there is a section in here for offering songs, so that's cool. If I were to play a song for offertory, this would probably be this song because it's a mashup of Holy, Holy, Holy and Mumford and Sons song. Those would be this kind of songs I'd play probably to make it unexpected and weird. So Macklemore and Michael W. Smith, or Lizzo and Lauren Daigle. Post Malone with When Peace Like a River. Pearl Jam singing Come Thou Fount. I want to hear them belt out like, here I raise my Ebenezer. Come Thou Fount, done in the style of Pearl Jam. Anyway, so I won't be playing offertory in any church services anytime soon, but if I were, I would start with this one. And then there would come a point towards the end, and you'll know it, where I would belt out, wrap it up, boys. I'm bringing it home, and you'll see it in the at the end of the song. So anyway, that's this.
So this is a mashup of Holy, Holy, Holy with Mumford and Sons, Awake My Soul. Did it myself, so see, like I actually cut apart music and like pasted it, so super not professional. Taped, glued, notes I wrote in, which don't make any sense. Scribbled, taped. If it doesn't work, it's just all my fault. Okay, this is why. This is why. This is just, it's just gonna be a struggle today.
What'd you think? Are you done? Is that it? Are we finished? She's like, this song all day, all day. Oh, you want your bed, don't you? Here you go.